Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 3 of the codes that have expired on the 8th of March. So there's 3. It's the first one is the Moto Princess Wave, I don't know. I think it's this one. I don't remember what it was. Honestly, I don't remember the code item, what it was. And then it was the Cupid's Cloud. It expired on the 8th of March. And then lastly was the fashion one. Again, I don't remember what code item that was, but those are the 3 codes that unfortunately have expired in the Style Showdown update. So if you have not redeemed those, unfortunately, you cannot redeem them anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the Style Showdown update. You get this trench coat and you get like this coat as well as the skirt, and then these like shoes. I think these are the new ones. I'm not sure. There was just a lot of items that sometimes I do not know which one the new ones are because they added more items, which I don't mind, honestly. That's good, but like I'm just telling you that. But you still have a few more weeks to buy the Queen of Hearts set and the Valentine's post pack, so keep that in mind if you want to buy those. I might buy the Valentine's outfit. I might, because I don't know though. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.